Alright, welcome back to a new video. Today's video, I'm swapping all the black interior or the tan interior out of the Genny, going to black. I had already painted my headliner. I had bought some other stuff. Like the visors, pillars, the lights, all that already in black. So I didn't have to do very much painting. Alright, so got the headliner back in. My way of doing it was take this side and don't fully remove it, so that when you do put it back in, because I did it by myself, when you do put it back in, you could pinch this up to the ceiling and then have this side removed. So when you take this one out, there's 1, 2, 3 clips, and then you kind of rotate it clockwise so that it can rotate out and just pull it up. But you're going to remove this so that you can slide this in, because you're just going to pinch this like I did right here. So then that's going to be holding the weight from the back while you get all your little clips into place and everything like that. And then you kind of want to just have everything go in from back to front, because all of this has all the extra weight. I ended up putting in the visor here, and I just had everything just kind of ready to get plugged right back in. Get those lined up so that you can then do the rest of the car. Got the pillar in now. Time to move over to this side. So if you're also swapping the dome light like I am, the BK1 and BK2 dome lights have different plugs. BK1 has a 3-prong, this one's 4. So what you do is there's 1, 2, 3 screws holding in, pull it off, and then you're just gonna swap it over to this one, because everything's exactly the same except for the plug. Alright, we'll cut it all back together. Black on black now, how it should have been from the beginning. And then I also got a little upgrade for this mirror. We got a Broadway mirror. It's the mirror installed. It's a Broadway mirror. Don't mind the tints. I gotta take those. That's what I'm gonna do next, I think. Remove the tints, get them redone, because these are getting old. Right here, you see it's ripped there, ripped right there. On the driver's side is showing a little bit too. Back window is foggy as hell, and it's got like stain marks from old stickers from like the previous owners that were on the windows. So yeah, I'll be removing those. But next on the list would be steering wheel, bucket seat, and then a fire extinguisher. Probably put like the fire extinguisher like somewhere around here. Somewhere around here. Or once I get a bucket, I'll probably mount it onto like the harness bar or something like that, you know. Alright, so right now I'm replacing these factory ones with the one that says Genesis on it. And I'm also fixing my hood latch. This was from like the last owner, and I never got around to fixing it, but finally got the stuff for it. So right now I'm under the hood getting that done. Alright. So in my car, I'm missing the spring part that allows it to go back into place, which is this piece right here. So swapping that out, you need to take it apart, put it in 2 pieces, so that when you pull it, or you have to slide it through. So this goes first, then you have to put the plastic kick panel over here back on, and then the lever goes over. This is the old one, that's the new one with the spring. New lever. It was just 2 Phillips heads holding it in. We got the hood latch cable all connected and set into place. Now I'm gonna put the kick panel back on, and then I'm gonna put on the lever. All right, I got it in all put together. So the kick panel goes. And then moment of truth. Oh, all done. It's functional. Time to put back in the this little door sill. And I got one to replace it that says Genesis here. I think it'll look nice and clean. Alright, there we go. So it's Genesis. Don't mind my rusty seat bracket. And then I'll be doing it to the other side too now. Alright, the interior is all done. All clean. Genesis there. Got the new mirror in. Black headliner. Looks pretty clean to me. Just finished giving the Genny a bath. They're nice and clean. I do need a new power washer because mine broke. But this is the first time I've washed the car in months. It's probably been like 6 months. It hasn't been clean. This wasn't like a how-to video or anything like that. This is more of me getting it done. Let me know if you liked the video. Stay tuned for the next video. Peace.